here where a lot of the high security models of padlocks that were offered for use by the government are displayed. There's the one that uses the Ingersoll cylinder, the one here that uses the medical cylinder, and then there's one developed and submitted to government use by the Best Lock Company. But all of these were especially designed to withstand attacks, and they were used by the government for particularly protection of nuclear warheads and nuclear material. A number of padlocks that were of the same vintage and effort, and it's interesting how the protection of the lock was built into the design of the lock itself. The wax images in the back are the internal cores of the lost wax process, where the wax would be melted out of the pattern, and then the hot stainless steel poured in and allowed to cool, so that the inner design of the lock would meet the special close tolerances that were necessary to build those kind of locks.